Wow, that's great. We did it. Woohoo, more than 5,000. Yeah, we did it. Yes. Wow, that was cool. Hey there, my friend. I'm glad to see you. My name is Simon. I'm 29 years old and I'm a professional trader with 8 years of experience. Trading is not just a way to generate income for me, it's my lifestyle. Over the last 12 months, I've reached a level that has become a major professional achievement. And now I'm ready to share my experience with you. For me, trading is not just a way to achieve results. It's the freedom I've gained through years of practice. In the last 5 years, my results have allowed me to live exactly the way I've always dreamed. I work only when I want to, travel to a new country every month, and provide for my parents and family. Trading has given me the freedom I once could only dream of. But this is not about me, it's about you. I know why you're here. You want to increase your income quickly and without unnecessary stress. And today I'm gonna show you my favorite strategy that will allow you to start your trading journey today. No complicated terms, no confusing charts. I'll explain everything in simple, straightforward language so you can quickly grasp my strategy. Sounds too good to be true. Then watch this video till the end and see for yourself. Let's go. I have some important information for you. Have you ever thought about how great it would be to be a part of a team where people study the market and share experience every day? Right now, many traders are learning and applying my strategies in real time. In my community, I share daily market insights to help you understand how to navigate it better. Step-by-step instructions designed to be clear even for beginners. Trading approach that I've developed over my 8 years of experience. And the most important part, access to the community is completely free right now. But these opportunities don't last forever, so go ahead and click the link in the description, subscribe, and start learning more about trading today. This could be your first step toward real knowledge. See you in our community. All right, let's move on to the trading session. We'll start with 25. Now, I'm selecting the currency pairs I'll be working with. And now for the indicators, I'll choose RSI and MACD. These are great for beginners because the first one helps determine the likelihood of a trend reversal, while the second measures trend strength and direction. A few more settings. Okay, the same for RSI. Saving it. Alright, the platform is set up and we are ready to start. Now I'm analyzing the market situation and I'll start with the Australian and American pair. So the price has been falling for a long time, but now there are signs of slowing down. MACD shows divergence, histograms are getting smaller, but the price is still dropping. This suggests that sellers are weakening. RSI is in the oversold zone. This means the price has dropped too low and the market is overloaded with selling. Usually this leads to a pullback or reversal. A sideways movement has appeared. The price has stopped its active decline and is moving within a small range. This is a sign that the market is preparing for reversal. MACD lines have crossed. The blue line is crossing the orange one from below, which strongly indicates a trend change. RSI has exited the lower boundary, another confirmation that buyers are returning to the market. I'm going up on this one. Let's watch. That's how it works. The market always gives us clues, we just need to know how to spot them. Let's move on. Let's check out the next pair. I see that the price was previously moving sideways and then there was a sharp downward impulse that broke out of this range. Now the market is returning to the level where the drop began and testing it from the top down. This is called a retest. The price is checking whether this level will now act as resistance. I'm looking at the indicators. On MACD, the lines are pointing downward, confirming a downtrend. RSI is also moving up, but approaching the 50 level. If it bounces down from there, it will further confirm the weakness of buyers. All these factors suggest that the price is likely to continue falling. I'm going down, expecting the market to push off the level and resume its downward movement. Now it's important to watch how things develop to see if sellers maintain enough pressure to keep the trend going. I was right. Slowly but surely, I'm proving the effectiveness of my strategy. Let's see what we've got here. I noticed that the price has reached a new high, but the indicators are telling a different story. This is called divergence, one of the most reliable conditions of a potential reversal. Looking at MACD, the histograms are getting smaller even though the price is rising. This means momentum is weakening and the upward movement is no longer supported by strong buyers. Next, I check RSI. It has not even reached the upper boundary, confirming the weakness of this uptrend. If the trend were strong, RSI should have hit higher values, but that did not happen. Additionally, a bearish engulfing pattern is forming, a candlestick pattern that often means a trend reversal. This is another sign that buyers are losing control and sellers are stepping in. All signs pointing to the price being ready to drop. I'm going down as the market is given clear reversal conditions. Now we just need to watch how things will go. Perfect, another successful trade. Let's keep going. What do we have here? I see clear signs of possible reversal. Look, there's divergence forming on MACD. This indicates that sellers are losing strength and the market is preparing for an upward correction. Checking RSI, it's in the oversold zone, meaning the price has been falling for too long without a pullback. Now the indicator is slowly moving out of the zone, which is the first sign that buyers are returning to the market. All these factors suggest a high probability of a bounce upward, so I'm going up on this one. Another great result. This is not luck, it's the result of years of learning and practice. Now let's keep going. Before we continue, I want to share an important insight with you. Just like in any other profession, success in trading comes when you have a mentor. I learned this early in my career when I worked for 3 years at Warren Buffett's company, Berkshire Hathaway. There, I trained under the greatest, analyzing charts and making decisions under the guidance of seasoned experts. And now you have the opportunity to learn from my experience. Every day, I host live trading sessions where I explain my actions in detail and share strategies that help make smart market decisions. This is a space where we break down real trading steps in a way that's clear, even for beginners. More than 16,000 people have already joined my community and are developing their trading skills with me. Now you have the chance to become part of this club. All you need to do is click the link in the description and subscribe. Right now, access is still open and completely free, but I can't guarantee it will stay that way forever. Don't wait, join the community now, start learning and take action with us. See you in the club. All right, let's see what we've got here. I'm noticing key signs of weakening downward movement. Looking at MACD, the histograms are shrinking and have turned green, even though the price is still going down. This indicates that selling pressure is fading and the market is preparing for a possible reversal. RSI is in the oversold zone, meaning the price has been dropping for too long without a correction. In such cases, a bounce upward is common as sellers start locking in rewards while buyers step into the market. All these factors suggest a potential shift in direction. Get ready for takeoff. Amazing! We've already halfway there. Take a look at our results so far. I want to keep going because I trust my strategy and, of course, I want to maximize my results. All right, I see signs of weakening upward movement. There's divergence on MACD, the price is making new highs, but the histograms are shrinking and the lines are starting to turn downward. This shows that buyers are losing strength. Additionally, I'm making the 0.627 level, which saw a strong bearish bounce earlier. This confirms that the price is struggling to break through resistance and will likely reverse. Based on my analysis, sellers will continue to apply pressure. Let's go. Now I'm closely watching the price movement. And just like that, my market outlook was spot on. Let's keep going, folks. Let's take a look at the chart. All right, I'm going up right away. Here's why. There's divergence on MACD, the price hit a new low, but the histograms did not drop further and the indicator lines have turned upward. This means that downward movement is slowing down. RSI has exited the oversold zone, confirming that buyers are getting strength. Another strong factor, a large green candlestick with a long lower wick at the low point, showing that sellers tried to push the price lower but failed, leading to a sharp reversal. All these elements indicate the start of an uptrend. Exactly as expected. Friends, let me emphasize, timing is everything. My subscribers who trade with me act immediately because market conditions change in the blink of an eye. That's why staying alert is crucial. Let's move on. Now I see that a local level was recently broken where the price had been moving sideways for a long time. This means the market was going up for the next big move. After the breakout, MACD turned downward, the indicator lines are sloping down and the histograms are decreasing, confirming that selling pressure is strengthening. All these elements point to a continued downward move, so I'm going down, expecting a strong drop after the breakout. Now I'm monitoring market dynamics. Awesome, guys, just take a look at these results. Not even 10 minutes have passed. A few more trades and we are done. Looking at the chart, I see that the uptrend has reversed into downtrend, and now we are witnessing a pullback before continuation lower. Checking the indicators, MACD is pointing downward, confirming that the downtrend is still there. RSI is retesting the 50 level. If it bounces downward from here, that will confirm buyer weakness and the continuation of the decline. Everything is pointing to the correction ending and the price getting ready to drop further, going down. Perfect, no stress, just solid results. Now I want to lock this in. All right, what do we have here? Our final pair for today. I see that the downtrend is still holding and the recent pullback is complete. Now looking at the indicators, MACD is starting to turn downward, confirming that the trend is resuming. RSI has broken below the 50 level, showing that sellers are regaining control. With no hesitation, I'm going down. Look at this fantastic result. My mood skyrocketed at the speed of light. Let's be honest. Do you want 2025 to be the year of real change for you? The year you finally take a step forward? If so, you have two choices. Keep sitting around and dreaming or start taking action right now. I invite you to my Telegram channel. This is your chance to start taking action today. More than 16,000 people are already on this journey with me. Every day I share my trades and methods live, in a way that even beginners can understand. Together we analyze the market and learn how to navigate it successfully. And I share all of this for free. The feedback from thousands of my students inspires me so much that I want to grow a community to over 100,000 members. Oh, and by the way, I even host in-person events where I share my experience. Last year alone, I held 8 live events in different cities around the world. Stop putting things off. Click the link in the description or the pinned comment and subscribe to the channel. Your success starts right now. See you in Telegram.